Boom! What is up, guys, and welcome to the sweet outdoors. It is a gloomy ass day today. I ain't seen the sun all day. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. But it's only about 65, 70 degrees, so it's not bad. We'll deal with it. Hope y'all had a very good and Merry Christmas. Hope Santa brought you everything that you asked for. He treated me pretty nice. I told you guys that we had some upgrades coming to the camp, and I'm fixing to share one of those with you right there, or right here. I'm gonna share it with you, one of the upgrades that I got right here. Let me, this is gonna be an unboxing setup video, so let me get it all ready and we'll get this party started, guys. All right, what do we have? Camp King. Guys, we got a new tent. Now, as you've seen on the platform, we got the tent that's on there now, if you've seen my overnight video and everything, and I like it. I really do. It was a Temu find. It was $80. I mean, it's been working great, but Christmas came. My girlfriend, she wanted to get me a tent that I can get some good quality videos out of, that I can leave out there, that's good and sealed, because the Temu tent, it doesn't have a floor in it. So I get drafts coming from underneath and all of that, so it's hard to get that thing nice and warm when you're dealing with this Western Tennessee weather. This one is supposed to have a floor and everything else, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna set this bad boy up. So right now, let's get her unboxed and see what all's in the kit. Still got wrapping paper and stuff on it. Now, this is a lightweight canvas tent. It's not your standard heavy duty wall tent, like a canvas tent like you would see on the Pioneer trails and stuff like that. But it is canvas. It's a lighter weight canvas. Keep my mess cleaned up or I'll get in trouble. Comes in this with this handsome carrying case. No, we've been over it. Not me. This one. Look at that bad boy. There's a couple pounds of this sucker too. Real quick, it is, well, I don't know how many kilograms pounds are, but gross weight is 14.3 kilograms. However many pounds that is, I do not know. I have no idea what just happened. My camera shut off. So I don't know what all you missed, but we've got the poles, we got the accessories bag with the stakes and the ropes and all that stuff. I don't know why my camera cut off, because I'm using my phone. So we're gonna pull this bad boy out. That's some pretty good canvas right there. Like I said, it's not real thick. It's not real thick. The tent itself, if that's what this is not canvas at all, from what I can tell. I'm guessing it's just the tarp, the rain fly that goes over top, which kind of disappoints, because I was under the impression that the tent itself was canvas. So we're gonna turn, this looks like the front. So give me just a second. We're gonna turn it around. I forget off the top of my head the actual dimensions of the tent. I will, like I said, put a link in the description so that you can look it up, check it out if you want to. All right. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pull out our stakes and get some stakes in the ground. Oh, I like these stakes too. Boy, it came with the heavy duty ones, guys. Not them little cheap aluminum ones. It came with these stainless steel nails. So that's a good one. Grab my little hammer here. Couldn't find my mallet, so we're just gonna use our little dead blow here. And this right here is a temporary setup. This is going to be our new platform tent. And I'm very excited because it is supposed to be a little bit bigger than our Temu tent. So we'll have a little more room. It'd be cool if I was doing this and struck oil. So I can tell now that it does look like it is bigger than the Temu tent. I'm sure the Temu tent has a real name, but for the sake of my video, it's a Temu tent. Angle you just a little higher there. All right, all right. All right, let's see what is going to be next. Okay, apparently it's going to be the poles. And I'm sure with the poles, we're going to need, okay, that there. This is unbelievable. They're actually written in Chinese. They've got some very small print English instructions. But what you see when you look at the page, first off, is written in Chinese. That's crazy. Okay, now, I'm guessing these are the short poles because they're short. And that's no offense to the vertically challenged. All right, there's 4 short, and here are the long poles, which are your center poles. These are going to be the center poles, which gives you your headroom, which I believe is 7 feet. And here come the damn dogs. All right. So we're going to need 1 stake at each end and 1 guy rope at each end. And it looks like there's 2 in here. I'm not sure, that one's probably the one I need. There's 1, and there's 1. Now the trick is untying this by untying it and not tangling it. It doesn't tell you which ropes go for what, so that's something I'm gonna have to figure out, because there's quite a few ropes, and some of them will be for the rain fly, some of them will be for the tent itself. And like I said, it doesn't tell you what is what. Those are the same length, and there's only 2 in here, so I'm guessing these are the 2 that I need. So, all right, there we go. And if y'all hear that ruckus in the background, that's my damn girlfriend She wants to be the star of the show, but I'm gonna let her guest star. Come on in, babe. Come on in, babe. Babe, come on in. Now she's playing bashful. Come on, babe. Come on, babe. That pretty shirt you got on is my girl Connie right here. She's gonna help get your butt off of there. Get off. I'm getting it filthy.
Keep dogs out of your way.
So, all right, now we got our ropes that we need and our poles that we need. There's gonna be a short one here, a short one here, here, and here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start at the back. You won't see me for a minute, but trust me, I'll be here. I wouldn't let you down. I'm gonna tie a small loop in this end. Now we got, like I said, we got some overcast, and I feel some precipitation.
Lily.
There we go. So we'll run our stake through there, like such. Should be a loop here on the back side, I would guess. There it is. I'll show you more better when I get on that side. But you'll put that through there and then go up to right here. I'm still here, guys. Loops up at the top. Now it will look different once it's up on the platform, because I won't have these outstretched guy ropes. This is almost like work. Things I do for you guys. Yeah, babe, it said it was cotton or canvas. Only the rainfly's canvas. It's still gonna work though. Still nice. And the box, what did I say? The box said coffee color. That's not coffee unless you put heavy cream. So, I don't know if y'all probably can't see this, but I'll give y'all a walk around when I'm done. A loop right there. All right. Well, I know one thing, it's gonna be fun putting a rain fly on this thing. Now what it looks like right now is just a A-frame tent, but our little side poles there will pull those sides out to give you that classic wall tent. See, they're standing back being bashful. They wanted to help. You ain't gonna help, babe? Come on now. She was ready to go until the camera turned on. Sporting that pretty bright orange Sweet Outdoor shirt. You know, be my model for my merch. All right, now see, right there we look like a classic A-frame, but then we get to put these on. My viewers said I need to fire my help. She agrees. I forgot to tie a loop in it. So what I'll probably do is just shut my mouth the rest of this and set it up and fast forward all of this stuff. Be easier. Because, I mean, you can see how it sets up. You can watch the video. And there it is. It's up. I don't have the rain fly on it yet. A bit of a disappointment. It's not her fault. Well, it ain't even my fault. The link that I sent her when I showed her this is the one I wanted. The picture had a stove jack. It had the hole for the stove pipe to come out. It does not have one. So I'm disappointed in that, but that's on the manufacturer or Amazon or whoever, because it did show it in the description. Other than that, I like the tent. I'll come grab you, give you a walk around. Like I said, the rain fly is not on. And there it is. Just looking at it right here, it is more room. I believe it is about 1.5 feet. Was it 1.5 feet longer? I believe it's 1.5 feet longer. And about 1 foot wider, I believe, than the one I have on here. Like I said, I'll look at the measurements and I'll put them on here. But I really do like it. It does have a floor, so I won't get that updraft. It's got windows on the side, both sides, and the top unzips too. So during the warmer months, you can have some ventilation going through there. Right here is a spot where you can run a power cord. If you got a generator hooked up, it looks like it's got pockets on the inside. I'll open up the door and let you look inside. I'm not gonna walk inside right this minute because it's damp and muddy out here and I just don't wanna get it damp and muddy. Velcro